Alright, y'all, we're at a Shell station in Denton, Texas, and we're gonna go check out their car wash. I'm gonna see if I can try to read what's on the pump there. I'm gonna zoom all the way in. Let me change the focus. They do have like a $6 works wash special, so assuming that's a top wash, that's what I got here at the pump. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And yes, I got the wash code this time since I tried filming this wash. I was coming down here back in January, and from what I know last time of the one person who filmed this machine, other forms of payment do not work. So this is basically code only, even though it says accept stuff. Yeah. Okay, they put, the stuff all over the machine. Please. Yeah, pay, sorry. Please pay inside, sorry. So yeah, that's why, code only. So today, well, first of all, you gotta check out what we have here. This is a rare Mark VII SoftWash DF. I'm trying to get the exposure up so I can get a shot of the machine. Here we go. Anyway. Car wash code today is 533740. The display works, it's very hard to read though. Yep. Alright, we're all set. Easy peasy. I don't need the receipt anymore. Put that down in my receipt stash. They removed the floor treadle from the previous machine that was here. No undercarriage. Horn took a dump. It's like, get it out of the sun so you can, see the machine better. Interesting. Brush pass right away. Very interesting. Still wringing out the top brush. Okay. That's funny. Either they took out all the side sprayers or they don't come on this stripped down version of the machine. Interesting. are kind of dirty and worn, but oh well. Heading up to Oklahoma City now for a few washes up there. That is it. That was probably the quickest soft touch car wash I've been through. Well, I mean, only one soap passed, but it seemed like it did pretty good for a stripped down machine, so hey, can't complain too much. Okay, I can't turn out left because it's a one-way street. Anyway, thank y'all for joining me on this video. Thank y'all for watching, and that'll be it.